Hello everyone, welcome you all in the another session of Python series. So in this series, we are going to learn about making rock, paper, scissors game. So I will share my screen with everyone to know what is rock, paper, scissors game, what we are going to do in rock, paper, scissors. Like as you all know, if I will make this pose, it means this is rock. If I will do this, this is paper. If I will do this is scissors. And it's a most common game. Most of the child will play, and it's one of the favorite game when we have all together and we'll play rock, paper, scissors together. Now, rock smashes the scissors, paper covers the rock, scissors cut the paper. So this is actually the rule about the game. What concept we are going to learn throughout this game is that first we will create our own rock paper scissor game. Second, we will ask to the user about their inputs, like what are their choices, rock, paper, or scissors. Then we will take also the loops. Also, we are using while loop here for the game. We use some dictionaries, we use some functions as well. So first, we will take import random library, because you all know that import random is a very important function to create rock, paper, scissors. So the same thing we are doing, import random. After taking import random, we will ask for user action, means what user is going to select. So user action is equals to input, and he will ask input out of the list. He will ask input that enter a choice, rock, paper, or scissors. So the same thing I will write here, enter the choice. Inside it I will write rock, paper, scissors. So here we will give a choice, like what they want, like rock, paper, scissors. So here I will close the bracket for rock, paper, scissors, and I will put a colon and make some space for user action, because user has to, take any action. And now possible actions I am making for the computer, because there must be the possible actions also. And what will be the possible actions? Means of course the possible actions are, I'm creating the list for possible actions. One will be rock, second will be paper, and third will be scissors. Okay, so these are the possible actions, and now here I am taking computer action. So what computer action will be? Of course, computer will do random dot choice, the same thing we did in toss the coin game in last class we did, right? So the same concept we are applying. Possible computer action is equals to random dot choice from the possible actions, means from the possible action list, it will take the random choice. Okay, and whatever the random choice is, it will print that statement. So it will print, then I will put f slash, means it will print in the next line, like in new line basically. So it will give like you chose user action. Like this is a way of how you want to print. So user action is, means whatever the action you have selected, means I have selected, like computer will ask me the choice, and whatever the action I have selected, it will ask that action, the user action. Okay, and then it will also tell the computer choice and computer action, right? So here it will tell computer choice, and here will be computer action. So it will tell, the computer action means whatever the computer choice, it will take that as a action also. And this thing, like here, because we made the line, so I will make one full stop over here. I will close this line like /n, and here we have to close this string as well with this. So now we have closed the string, and one round bracket must be there, not zero, one round bracket. Okay, so let me check what error we are facing. Is here the statement is that print f, and then the /n is like that, and you chose user action and computer chose computer action. The full stop will be there, and it should close. What is the function? I think f will not come over here. Yeah, so it will be like simple like that. In the new line it will be like that, because there's no use of f, right? Now we will write if user action, if user action is equals to computer action, means the same concept we are going to apply over here, that if user action is equals to computer action, then of course it will print the statement. So I'm taking the print statement, and here we will write both player selected user action. Okay, and it's a tie, means because when this thing is happens, then of course it's a tie. So I will write it's a tie, and this, and of course I need to close this, because if we don't close this, then this will give us error. So here was the error, like I wrote ACTIO, so there wasn't action. Okay, and now if I told you about ellipse, right? If I want to put any other condition, so we will use ellipse. So if you ellipse, now I will take another condition, ellipse user action is equals to rock. Okay, so when this happens, like if user action is equals to, see here I put first of all, we should close it inside the double quotation symbol, because this is the part of a string. So when we call the string, we always use double quotation symbol. Okay, and when we call it as a variable, directly as a variable, we call it by a name. We never put double quotation symbol. It's very important to know. Okay, most of the students like do usually does this mistake. So let's press enter, and now I will put inside another if conditional statement. If computer action is equals to scissors, then print rock smashes scissors you win. Okay, so if this happens, then it will say like that. Now else. It will print inside double quotation symbol, paper covers rock, you lose. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is first elif. Now the second elif we will take exactly like that. So I'm just going to copy this code. I don't waste my time. If it is same, we can definitely do that and paste it here. Okay. So in second elif, it is saying user action is equals to paper. Now, first one was rock. Now the second one is paper. Means if user action is equals to paper, then what will happen? Then it will say that if computer action is equals to rock, paper covers the rock, right? So if user action is paper, then definitely user will win the game. That's why it's like that. Okay, so here I will write rock, and I will write that paper covers rock and you win. So here we will write paper covers rock, you win, else scissors cut paper. Scissors cut paper, you lose, right? Now exactly same thing we are going to do with like rock, paper is done, scissors. So I'll copy the paste code and I'll paste it here. So elif user action is equals to scissors. Simple. So I will write it for scissors. So if this happens for scissors, then of course, here if computer choice is equals to paper, because scissor can cut the paper, right? So if it is paper, it will print scissors cut paper and you win. Scissors cut paper and you win. And in case of else, what will happen? It will write that scissors cut paper is fine, and in else it says that rock smashes scissors. Okay, so we will write rock smashes scissors. Ooh, that's cool. So this is done. Now let's check the output. Line number 2 is having an error. Let's check. User action is equals to input. Enter the choice rock, paper, scissors. Okay. So what is the error we are facing? Let me check. Okay, let me check. So I think, okay, I got the error. The error is here. We use input function and we are using square brackets here. No, it's round brackets. Okay, so make sure about these. These are very important factors. Okay, so let's make it as round bracket. Also, let's make it as round brackets. And I think it's done. Let me run the code. So it's asking enter the choice rock, paper, scissors, and I will write paper. Exactly like that you need to write, okay? And press enter. So it says you chose user action computer shows a computer action, and scissor cut paper, you lose. Oh my God. By the way, one thing. Here it says that it's a string, right? And here it's like user action. Okay. So let's check it out with this function by calling this function. No, no. It will print the user action. And let me check if it is not properly written. User action, I think this must come inside, but not indicating with this. Let me find out what is the problem here. Okay, I found the bug over here. See, here we have written like we will, like whenever we call the variable, we have to separate a string from the variable that we call. Okay, so here we will write that you choose user action is the variable. So you choose will be coming in the string, and this should come in the like after comma you will put your user action like that. Now in the next line you will print the computer choice also. So print computer choose comma, and here you will write computer action. Okay, then it will perfectly fine now. So let's run it. I will write again paper, press enter. So it says you choose paper, computer choose scissors, scissor cut paper, you lose. Oh my gosh, that's really bad. So this is final code of your program. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.